Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Hey, I wanted to share with you guys 5 healthy and awesome ways to spend your stimulus check. Question, have you gotten your stimulus check yet? I'm actually getting mine deposited tomorrow. So how are you using your stimulus check this time around? We've had, 3 rounds now? So 5 things that I think that are really great in ways to use your stimulus check. Number 1 is make sure you have your emergency fund. I definitely encourage at least having $1,000 or 1 month or 3 months worth of income in case of a job loss or something like that. With the job market pretty volatile right now, definitely having an emergency fund is helpful, especially if you have home repairs, auto repairs, cat emergencies, dog emergencies, things like that, natural disasters. Always having an emergency fund is vital. So that is something that I'm making sure I have my $1,000, starting out with that. I already have an emergency fund, but making sure that that's replenished. I have been using that a little bit lately. Second, paying down debt. So if you have maybe some credit cards, you've got student loans, a personal loan, an auto loan, and you want to pay down debt, this is a great opportunity to be paying down those credit cards, student loans, especially right now. The student loans with a lot of the loans are being interest free right now. So it's a great time. That is actually something I am focusing on right now this year. So that is a great idea, paying off debt. Number 3 is invest. If you're in a space where you don't really have a lot of debt, you got your emergency fund, I encourage you, begin investing. If you need to pump up your percentage going to your retirement account, meet with a personal financial advisor, things like that. Meet with them to talk about what does your financials look like. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am not a financial planner, but I definitely would be interested in helping you out with some financial coaching, or maybe looking through your budget, giving you some thoughts, ideas, how to save money, things like that. So feel free to reach out or comment below, and I'd love to connect. Number 4 is definitely maybe have those annual subscriptions. That's actually something that I'm going to be doing this as a piece, kind of like that piece of the puzzle of the pie of what I'm going to be doing with my money is paying those annual subscriptions, like Amazon. I have my Thrive account. I just with my workout subscriptions, things like that. So that way it's pretty much paid for, and you can put your other money in your budget towards savings account or debt or travel, something like that. So along the lines of travel. So, okay, I just got back from Arizona and hiked the Grand Canyon, and it was amazing. I loved every moment of it. It was fantastic. So another opportunity, number 5, of if you're kind of all your other areas are in a good space, or you want to put kind of a piece of that pie away for a trip. You guys, we all need rest. We all need vacation. We all need something to look forward to. Traveling. Where would you love to travel to? Is it Hawaii or Colorado or overseas, Japan? I don't know. Where would you like to go? Alaska. So maybe put a little bit of that money aside for a trip to look forward to. Maybe if it's later in the year or next year. For me, I am putting money away to travel to Hawaii in 2022. I would love to hike over in Hawaii. So, but these guys, this is 5 ideas for you guys to utilize your stimulus check. So again, emergency fund, paying down debt, invest, put it in your retirement or investment accounts, things like that. Meet with a financial advisor. Number 4, use that money to maybe pay those annual subscriptions, Costco, gym memberships, Amazon, things like that. And number 5 is put money away to travel. So guys, I would love to hear from you. How are you utilizing your stimulus check? Comment below. Do you have any other ideas, any thoughts? Where do you want to travel to? Would love to hear from you guys. Make it a great rest of your week, and we will talk to you soon. If you are interested in more financial blogs, definitely head over to my website, www.lisahice.com. savemoney.com. Link is in the bio. I've got some really wonderful blogs in regards to financial wellness, financial tips, and ideas for you guys. Also on identity theft, that's available to you, health, wellness, lifestyle, so much more. Definitely make sure to subscribe to the newsletter, as I love to share lots of encouragement and inspiration every couple weeks. Talk to you soon, guys. Make it a great week. Bye-bye.